Individuals who conceal their sentiments ordinarily care the most. The most horrendously awful kind of forlornness is the forlornness you feel when you are with individuals, unfamiliar ladies. Yet a decent man loves one lady 1,000 different ways. While contemplating or perusing, tune into music without any vocals. It will permit you to think better in some cases. Satisfaction looks like remaining home, disapproving of your business, telling individuals no, and simply doing you unfamiliar. The manner in which you began cherishing her is the way she ought to continuously be adored. Individuals who blow up with one another over the most ridiculous of things are normally the ones who care the most. Men in stable connections are better, live longer, and have diminished nervousness and stress. On the off chance that a man cherishes a lady's spirit, he will end cherishing one lady. However, in the event that he cherishes a lady's face or body, every one of the ladies in the world will not fulfill him. Unfamiliar. The most exceedingly terrible individual to be around is somebody who whines about everything and doesn't value anything, works on your confidence, and open your brain to different decisions and perspective. He won't ever underestimate you. He will constantly keep you above everything else. He will battle for yourself, and not with you. Overthinking can make the psyche experience profound headaches, which prompts melancholy. We frequently subliminally reflect the body language of individuals. We feel clung to. A man who loves you the most is the man who fills you the most truth in about yourself. Crying is quite solid. Tears grease up your eyes, eliminate aggravations, and lessen pressure, making you feel far improved. Brain science says being distant from everyone else for a long time is as awful for your well-being as smoking 15 cigarettes per day. He knows you. The manner in which he realizes his own shadow, his own spirit, his own life. In some cases, believing a companion is the hardest thing to do. Unfamiliar can turn into your adversaries. Brain research says in the event that you prevail in deceiving somebody, don't believe that individual is a bonehead. Understand that the individual believed you more than you merited. Genuine men remain faithful and dedicated. They lack opportunity and willpower to search for another lady, since they are excessively bustling looking for better approaches to cherish their own. Individuals who are amusing are popular, assuming that you feel bashful while checking out somebody's eyes. Check their nose out. All things being equal, individuals can't differentiate. It takes a genuine man to understand that one lady is sufficient. Drinking liquor during pregnancy and make a youngster have modified facial highlights, hindered development, and mental or social deficiencies, known as fetal liquor condition (FAS). A man generally recalls the one who has enraptured. The man's brain connections are more enthusiastically now, in light of the fact that discussions become messaging, contentions become calls, and sentiments become announcements. A genuine man focuses on his woman. She merits, gives her every one of his loves, calls her lovely, and deals with her like a sovereign. The absolute keep-going individual at the forefront of your thoughts. Previously you shut your eyes around evening time is by the same token the justification behind your joy or agony. Brain research says without correspondence, there is no relationship. Without regard, there is no affection. Without trust, there's not a great explanation to proceed. A kid will let you know he cherishes you, yet a genuine man will show it. Phantophobia is the feeling of dread toward losing somebody you love. Fortunate is the one who is the primary love of a lady. However, more fortunate is the one who is the last love of a man.